Now, I would like to welcome Mr. K.T. Prasad, MD and RVP India and SAARC Zendesk, for a session on becoming a CX champion and why it matters. Welcome, Mr. Prasad.
It's all about the customer, isn't it? All of you are attending online and on joining us online today, and all those speaking today and many more outside. We all care for the customer, and we all wanted to drive some great CX and customer experience to them so that they can actually stay loyal to you. They can actually evangelize and bring in more people, their friends and family, to do more business with us. But I think some of the leading brands in India and globally will absolutely get this right. And they get it very, very right. Look at how Siemens or ITC or Grofers, how they really differentiate by creating engaging customer experience. And one thing which is common across the leading brands, they always provide a faster, personalized, seamless customer experience to the customers. And look at how Ola, Netflix, Uber, Airbnb, just to name few leading brands, and how they differentiate with customer experience as core. My name is K.T. Prasad, and I'm the Managing Director and RVP for Zendesk in India and SAARC. And today I want to talk about how the CX leaders and champions we call, what is the journey to becoming a champion? Maybe you could get some insights from there. And you can also look at what's, where you are in the CX maturity and see what you got to do to really become a CX champion. And before I do it, I just want to get you meet Zendesk. And Zendesk, we are champions of customer service. We have an opportunity and a great privilege to work with most innovative leading companies across the globe, and being that CX provider for them to engage their customers. Customer service is in our DNA because this is everything that we do, and that's all we do. We focus on customer support, and we bake in all the CX best practices into a product so that it is available to you out of the box when you get go. So all our products have CX best practices built into it. Don't take my word for it. Look at how Gartner actually rates us 6 years in a row. Gartner ranks us #1 in providing the #1 digital customer service in the use case. Thank you, Gartner, and all those customers who've been rating us phenomenally. And being the Gartner leader and being #1 and providing digital customer service also a bit of a responsibility, because you look up to us to provide, hey, where is customer experience going to go from now till next year or so and stuff like that. So we said, we want to bring you to second year in a row in a collaboration with ESG, and ESG research, and Zendesk actually has come together last year. We worked with about 1,000 respondents last year, but this time we went 3.5x. That means 3,000, close to 3,500 respondents, and including many of them from India, have participated in the ESG Global Survey. And the Global Survey actually lays down a CX maturity map. And it boils down to 3 core areas, which is people, process, and technology, and kind of across 7 different parameters on these 3 pillars. And if it could start from a starter, which exhibits about 3 out of 7 parameters, and as you go across the maturity curve, champion exhibits more than all 7 attributes of it. But before I go in and give you how champions really think about it, let me just give you a couple of more flavors. What it really means by CX champion. What is it for you as a business? Maybe if you're not a CX champion, what is in it for you? It means better engagement with customer by providing a lower resolution time. Your customers are happy because you're engaging them, giving them great experience. They spend more. And because they spend more and they love what they do and the way of engagement, they become loyal to you. That means they come back and spend more with you. And hopefully that event, the loyalty should become to evangelism and bring in more friends and family to do more business with you. And that's where CX champion really, really means why one had to be a CX champion. Now, in India in particularly, the number of champions have grew significantly in the last year to this year. And if you look at year on year, it's a 60% increase in India in particularly. That's phenomenal. And probably It shows that in the last 18 months, most Indian companies are actually investing into people, process, technology, in all three areas to differentiate with CX. Now, the research also tells organizations are improving their CX capabilities and making meaningful shifts. And we'll talk about all of this in a minute. And let me just get you first insight there, actually. Champions get their channel strategy right, isn't it? All of us think about providing a great CX, and providing great CX means engaging customers. Engaging customers means customers must be talking from a different channels of preferences if they like. But looks like champions really get it, and let's see how they get it. Before I get there, organizations in APAC, are engaging customers on an average of 7.1 channels. 7.1 channel, guys. Just think about 24 months ago, and if I ask this question, maybe the average would be far lesser than 7.1. And you also see, while the email and phone, no surprising, the biggest chunk, because that's what in India we all use to talk to our family and friends and used to. But you also see, social is, growing significantly. Online help centers is also growing significantly. And it all shows that, the channel trends are shifting very, very quickly. And before we look at how they're trending, champions offer 2.5 more channels to customers than compared to our starters. I think that's how they really, champions really get this right. And you also see there's a shift in using channel mix. While in 2021, talking to some of the champions, they say, we got about email and phone are predominantly one. And if you look at as compared to a messaging as a platform, whether it's online chat, video chat, chat bots, social, all of this comprising about 54%. But it is expected, all the respondents said, by 2024, all the champions and all the respondents believe that the shift of channels will go significantly increase in online chat and video chat and bots and stuff like that by 2024. That means there could be a drop in email and phone usage by your customers and huge increase in messaging in upcoming years. Now, this is very critical. Maybe it's very relevant for us in India. 100% of champions agree that pivoting to a more conversational experience is key goal, and 100%. So that means maybe just think about, reflect on how you and me want to talk to our friends and family, and how we want to, it's more of conversational, and probably we take that behavior because it's friendlier tone, and it is a familiar interface. And that's probably reasons why we want to have more conversations in those channels. And that's what we see. If you provide a conversational experience to your customers, I think you will have a better CX. And it's 100% of champions agree there. In India in particular, at the top of the race, it's 77%. And this trend very clearly shows it's very prominent in India, because I think we love to speak to people. And maybe it's a discussion over a cup of tea, or a chai tapri wala conversation, and whatever those are, it is, in India, we really love to have a conversation, and we want people to remember. But remember, one of the key thing in conversational experience means I can start my conversation from one channel and move into a next, and eventually resolve my queries in a last channel. But you as a business have a complete track of all the interaction history, and that's how you're really making a conversation. That means it is important we as citizens believe that that's the right way to do, and that's the reason citizens are customers. So businesses need to embark onto this journey of becoming a conversation experience companies. Now, insight number 2, champions are focused on empowering their agents, and it's very, very important. Happy employees are happy, happy customers. If you provide great empowerment to your agents, they will actually do a great job in driving a great CX. Now, organizations are building higher fidelity customer profiles that provide excellent customer visibility. Remember, if agents need to provide a great CX, they need to be equipped with everything. Maybe the 360 degrees view of customer need to be right up there. It could be integration with order management, if it's e-commerce, or a shipping logistics company, maybe if you're handling returns or finance team, it doesn't matter. Bring in everything together so that when the agent gets to the conversation, they straight away deliver what customer needs rather than they filling with screens or anything of the nature. So having a 360 degrees view is super important, and and champions really get it right. Organizations say they view customer profile as a single source of truth has gone up in India significantly again and year on year. Just look at 37% of respondents say single source of truth is very important today, and I'm sure this is not a surprise to any one of you who are attending today. And we also see the trend emerging into internal agility. What does it mean by internal agility? Let's go back and look at when champions empower agent agility, and by providing that, you're 4.4x more likely to provide a seamless channel switching for agents. Remember, the second trend is all about making is easier for agents so that they can drive a great CX. And it's channel switching is number one compliant, if you want to call it, as agents are complaining. And by providing empowerment and providing a 360-degree view, you actually help less switching of channels and put everything together at one. At the same time, 9.4x more likely to provide a cross-channel visibility. It's very important today's in conversational journey. Maybe the conversation with the customer can start from a bot, or could be email, could be a phone, could be a social. It doesn't matter. Remember 7.1 channels that it and an average today's customers get to interact with. So that means they can start a journey anywhere. And it's important for agents to have a seamless visibility across all of that. And I think champions really do a great job of bringing that so that agents are, have agility and they have visibility towards, how the conversations are, moving from one to another channel. Now, the impact, if you really do this, the champions resolve customer issues faster by 60%, and about 33% champions reduce their average resolution time. Isn't it, this is like an ivory world, right? You want to get to a customers faster, you want a better resolutions time, and that can be done by doing 360 degrees view of a customer and also empowering agents and with agility. I would say insight number 3, champions have a different CX mindset. It's very, very important. You got to have a mindset for customer experience. Now, organizations view support teams as a competitive differentiator. Now, just look at that graph and how it grew from 2020 to 2021 and why it is important. I think 3 years ago, if you ask me, CX was it a cost center or a profit center? What a conversation. I think we were talking about, everybody agreed that at the beginning of 2020, CX and providing a great support is a revenue driver. But today in the world that we're talking about, it is a competitive differentiator. Look at how CX is getting more and more prominent in business. Now, don't take my word for it again. And I've just put in some source of advertisements in India, whether it's one of the largest online insurance company or the largest fashion retailers. You see, it's very clear during the ads, it's very clear that the core differentiator is customer satisfaction, customer support, and customer experience rather than the products or services. Because at a certain point of time, you might not be able to differentiate between a product A to product B because the same thing could be available from multiple places. But if the experience could be the core differentiator, and the champions really, really get that very clearly ingrained. Now, apart from all of this, the capital investments have been there given. CX champions also invest in executive attention. And again, look at the drastic difference between how starters and champions are actually really get it. Like that means what means champions are much more likely to have business leaders review CX metrics. Now, if your executives are interested and gold on CX metrics, they review it every day. That means you have executives looking at what is my CSAT, what's my average resolution time, what is my NPS. And if they're asking those questions, that is likely, you're a champion, and there is a huge difference in how starters and champions go look at it. Now, final thoughts as we conclude. Champions make business gains. We all know that, and it is 25 times more likely than starters to exceed satisfaction goals. Because you get all of these right, you're able to, champions are able to get to their customers faster. They're able to, spend more time in providing the resolving issues, and they also get the agent strategy right. It is no brainer. They drive a better satisfaction, but 25 times more likely than status. Guys, that's a huge. Now, just go back and look at one more element. Delighting existing customers, helps champions grow through the positive word of mouth. So we all spend time in customer acquisition, but how many of us are spending time with customers that we acquire and providing a great experience to them? Because with their word of mouth, your business can grow. And here is a stat to support that actually. 5.4x as likely to report increasing their customer base in past 6 months. In the last 6 months alone, champions with a great CX with the customers, existing customers, with the word of mouth, they have more customer base. Simple. And market leading satisfaction also contributes to more spend per customer. So look at today's era of customer, those expectations are changing faster. The lines are getting blurred between products and services. The CX is a core differentiator. If customers are happy and they get a great experience dealing with you as a brand, they're more likely to spend more money with you. And that is 18x more likely customer spending increasing, increase in the last few months and quarters. 18x. That's a lot, significant, isn't it? Now, I'm sure this is very insightful to you, and I'm sure you want to learn more. As a next step, we strongly encourage you to take an interactive quiz. That's, if you scan this QR code, you will be, you'll be driven to an interactive quiz so that you can actually download CX Maturity Report. And the CX Maturity Report is very custom report for you. And it'll also help you to kind of give you a maturity curve between where you are today and what you got to get to become a champion. Because to become a champion, you learn, it's more customers, the more spend, and it's all great being a champion. But at the same time, if you want to have a conversation with us, I strongly encourage meet one of our CX experts at the booth. Or if you want to get more information from website, make sure that you go to zendesk.com/CX-champion to find out more. It's been absolute privilege and opportunity to thank you all for giving me this great opportunity, and enjoy the rest of the conference. Thank you.
Customer support is a conversation, so it should feel like one. Messaging meets customers wherever they are, wherever they go, on whatever they use. Messaging stays with them over time, so they never have to repeat themselves. It's more personal. Messaging lets agents focus on the complex stuff by letting the bots handle the easy stuff. Richer customer conversations, stronger human relationships. Zendesk Messaging.
Thank you, Mr. Prasad, for the knowledgeable content you shared on this platform. Let's proceed further for more such sessions.